Doing?
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you for asking. I am also doing great. And how about you?
Yeah, I have been doing great. And what about you? Like, what did you do so far?
Sorry, I didn't.
So, what did you do? Did something special in your day? Did you take session, or is it your first session with me?
No, no. Actually, you send the message, so I thought, why not? I have to also utilize that
Oh,
opportunity because it enhance our communication skills. So that's why I thought.
yeah, super. So I think we should go through our introduction part a bit. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes, yes. Yes. My name is Kirti. I hail from Bihar. Basically, I am from Bihar, but I live in Bangalore, and I am a housewife and mother of one kid. And I have done Bachelor of Commerce. Apart from this, my hobby is listening music, reading, cooking, and nowadays learning English is also my hobby.
Okay.
So, could you please also introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So I'm Sushmita Rao. I'm from UP, district Gajipur. And talking about my qualifications, so I have done my bachelor's in science, and at the moment, I'm just learning this language to enhance my fluency and get better at speaking. And talking about my hobbies, so I love to reading books, watching English movie, and creating a story. And regarding my goals, so I want to be a fluent speaker in my journey and kind of YouTuber. So yes, this is my short introduction. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so without further ado, let's start diving into our conversation. So do you have any specific topic to discuss on that, or we should go with the flow?
No, I don't have any topic. So if you have, so I
Yeah.
am
Yes.
also ready.
Yeah, super. Okay, so my first question is to you that how did you start and how did you get like impact on this in this journey and how did you start? Who inspired you? These kind of questions.
When I got married, so after that I went to Bangalore. So I saw means people are not speaking Hindi.
Yeah.
People are speaking only Kannada. So from there actually I have started my journey. So and that time I was not very means not attentive, but yeah, when I went outside, so I also faced so many troubles because people are speaking Kannada, so it was difficult to interact with people. So it is from that I thought, okay, I have to learn English. But as a housewife, as a mother, we are always stuck in our homes, household chores, kids, right? So that time I didn't more attentive, and then I discontinue about my journey actually there also. And after that, my daughter has born. After that I have started means when she went to school, so that time I faced so many troubles when I went to PTM and when I go to means talk with parents, so that time I was facing problems. So from there I have thought, okay, this is my
Turning point.
means not. Yes, this we have to learn actually, because anyhow, because after having kids and we have to interact with people, teachers, so it is not good, because after a time our kids will also feel ashamed. My mother is not speaking, so that's why I was serious, and then I think it's have been 4 months I am learning this journey very seriously.
Yeah, being a mother, you have to start your English journey because you have to attend PTM and many things
Yeah.
which you don't know so far. Earlier, when I started connecting with the many housewives there,
Yeah.
and why they were learning their language, why they are doing it because they want to good at because their children due to children because
Yeah.
they are living in the city area and you know that there are many difficulties there are many problems while having ptm and you have to attend the meeting for your children and if you are not
Yeah.
trying to do that so yeah it will happen. in your, I think, future, right? So yeah, don't waste your time. Just keep going on and try to learn something new. That will enhance your
And
personality and confidence. It
yeah,
will work out, right?
yes.
Yeah.
And actually, that's why I joined school also as a teacher. I thought when I stepped out, so I interacted with people. So I improved my English also. So I joined as a teacher in a school. So I that time I was also facing problem because I was not able to connect with parents also, because that time always I thought whenever I speak in front of people, so uh, they will judge me because of my, yeah, lack of grammar mistake,
Confidence
means
and
grammar.
grammar.
Yes, so that's
Yeah, they
why.
can get you like in the way you express and the way you are talking. So it happens
Mm,
when you are not confident that much, and whether you are speaking good or not. But when you are not confident, you are not good at and confident, so they are going to judge you. They can understand you are not good at
yes,
all, right? So it's
yes.
a common and general.
Mm.
Yeah. All right. So how long have you been doing it, like your English journey? How many months?
I have been completing my 4 months. 4 months.
Okay, it's been a 4 month.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, okay. So, yeah, it's great. You should start doing it. And yeah, I think you just started. So you need to interact with a different YouTuber and stranger. In that way, you will be able to get your confidence and each and everything. Okay, so like, are you facing problems while taking a session kind of vocabulary and at the same time you are not getting right word or right sentences and you want to put in the conversation, but unfortunately it doesn't come out of your mouth. It happened with you. Are you facing these kind of problems?
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes it's happened to me also, because so I think this is the lack of vocabulary. That's why it's happened. But I am working on that because I have seen myself from starting. I was not able to speak up. That time I fumble, and that time I also went to blank. But gradually I am improving myself, because daily I have to connect. I have to spend my time at least 1 hour for learning journey, and I am trying to learn means new vocabulary also. So that's how I enhance my English, or whenever I talk with people, so that time I didn't fumble and didn't stuck. So earlier it's happened to me also.
Yeah, like earlier when I think when I started embarking on my English journey, so it happened with me so many times, and I would go blank. I was freezed. I was getting stuck while speaking, and because it was our starting point, we didn't know
Yeah,
idea that much, but we just started. We just digging into this kind of practice, and we started taking session while having like a video session. It was there,
yeah,
but day by day, when you start doing it, every day, if you are taking, so your hesitation, your everything, it will be faded away if you keep going on.
yeah,
So just try to, chin you up and try to keep going on and stay positive, and everything it will be in your command, right? Because it's
yes.
all about persistent practice and just your consistency and each and everything and discipline about it. Yeah.
Yes, and I will say, means if you are if you are practice every day and you are consistent, so definitely we can achieve, because it's a matter, means it's don't matter means you are speaking wrong or right. It's matter whatever you are speaking with a confidence.
Yeah,
So
it's
that's it.
all about confidence. It's all about
Yes.
confidence. If you have a swag and you know that how can I handle the situation and how can I hold the whole conversation. So you are a master, you
Yes.
can do it. You are not going to face difficulty while taking a session or doing anything. But okay, have you ever got the chance to connect with any speaker in your real life offline?
Yes, I got a chance. You know about the Sunita ma'am?
Yeah.
So I got a chance to interact with her and Neha ma'am also. From that also I took a session with her also.
Oh no, I'm talking about real life, like offline.
Oh, real life, I always means when I went to, I live in Bangalore, so every day I meet new people. So when I go outside, like hospitals, in school, so that time I interacted with new people. So there I got a chance to interact with them.
Okay, that's super good. And yeah, like
Mm.
whenever you are just getting a chance, so don't slip them away. Try to grab it tightly and yeah, like
Yes.
avail the opportunity. Otherwise, you are not going to get. In my side, I can't get the chance to talk with a real partner and just to go with the face-to-face communication. It's a very crucial if you want to be fluent and confident. So first of all, you have
Mm.
to go and just visit some places and talk with a real partner that will give you more hopes and you will feel more good about you, right? Okay, so
Yes.
could you elaborate that which kind of content you are watching to enhance your fluency for beginners?
Nowadays, nowadays I am watching means conversation video. So now I am whenever I watch that video, so that time I am very attentive because if you listen very attentively, so you can see in improvement in yourself. Means you learn new vocab and their sentence structures and how to speak in front of people. That thing we
Yes.
have to learn.
Yeah. So have you ever tried to talk with the object and try to describe them in English?
Yes, always means when I got a chance, so any topic someone has given, so I try to give my own perspective also.
Yeah, like whenever like you are getting any chance and trying to improve your English and boost your confidence level. So first of all, we need to we need to throw some light on our surroundings. We can go with that.
Yeah.
If you feel that, yeah, I'm able to speak this kind of environment, I'm able to describe it. So that's perfect. Because you can consider
Yes.
yourself that you are on, like you are at A2 level or B1 level, and you are good at, you are speaking enough English. But yeah, like you are getting stuck, or you are getting fumble a lot of times. So in this area, we need to work upon it. But I believe that it will happen over time, but we need to consistent, just keep going on and try to do it at the same time, like whatever you are doing, try to do it for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. Like what matters to you, just keep doing it. You will get
Yes.
your dream and job, whatever you are wanting to. Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
And one thing I will tell you, this is not we have to learn overnight, right?
Yes.
This is a long period. Means whenever I watched any YouTuber, their journey, so then I realized they are means they are learning from a long time. So we will think we will learn in a month, in a means in a month, in a day, in a means it's not happen because it
Yeah.
will takes time.
Yeah, like it will take time. So if we are thinking, okay, we can learn in just a week and month, so no, it's never going to happen. We have to wait for it year to year. It will take time to be fluent, to be a speaker, and to be a flawless speaker. But right now, we can't consider ourselves that we are flawless. We are just speaking and we are just learning this language. So in my perspective, it will take time. Even you don't know how much time it will take. But yes, if you want to become something and want to be a polished version and you want to be a fluent speaker and confident, so you have to dedicate yourself into this kind of field.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
You can go ahead, you can achieve your goal, you can get a job because many people they are just learning this language due to their job because they believe that if they have great command at their speaking, so they will get higher salary and it will benefit for them, right? Yeah. So that's my point. Okay, so
Yes, you are saying right.
yeah, so do you have any question for me?
So how means how have been you learning means this language and
Uh,
how to enhance your language?
okay,
What
so
is the
talking
thing?
about myself, it's been 1 year when I started, and I'm doing it and talking about how to enhance. So try to take a session on video call. And if you are good at like speaking, not that much, yeah, if you know little bit English, so go ahead on video session. Yeah, you can
Yes.
also talk with the audio, but if you feel it up to a point, you will need to go with the video session and try to observe your surrounding and try to talk to yourself. And in that way, you can do it. You can watch some video and then you will feel something you are learning and you are getting it. Try to practice and repeat the same
Yes.
video to understand, to get the point and scenario, and then you will be able to describe it in your own way. If you start narrating, then you can understand how much information you are getting from that TV series or you are getting some takeaway from it. So, yeah, that's the
Yes.
thing, right? Okay,
So
yeah.
what have you goal means about in learning English?
Okay, so my goal is completely clear here. I want to be a sort of YouTuber or kind of tutor, a trainer, right?
Oh,
So that's why I'm doing it. And yeah, I was very fascinated about this journey and English learning at the time. But, I just wanted to speak. I had no goal. But after creating my channels, everything it has, I thought I can do it. I can become something if I have a knowledge. So I can be a trainer. I can be a communicator, speaker. So
yeah.
this is my one and only goal to become something. Yeah.
It sounds good actually.
Yeah, thank you so much. So I think we should wrap up the session because I have another session after you. So yeah. Okay, so it was a pleasure meeting you and I enjoyed a lot. I hope we are going to connect again in our future.
Yeah.
So bye bye. See
Yes.
you soon.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, likewise. Bye bye.